College basketball season is in full swing, and despite dropping their first two games, there's a great expectations from the men at UMBC.
Yeah, tough start on the court pales in comparison to what one of the Retrievers players went through over the offseason. ABC 2 News' Sean Stepner with that story tonight.
KJ Maura's feet may be on the floor in Catonsville, but his mind is on his family in his native San Juan.
Right now they don't have no power, no water, so we kind of in survival mode. They hanging in there, they safe, that's what matters, but the things are really bad right now.
Hurricane Maria tearing through his city in Puerto Rico a couple of months ago, leaving his family without a home.
It was pretty scary. We're kind of fighting through right now, so we're going to come back.
And while his family back home fights to regain some sort of normalcy, it's Maura's basketball family that helped him during the storm and continues to help him now.
They kept me close, they kept me united with them in every activity. They let me use their phone when I needed to call my family all the time. They actually cooked for me sometimes because I was feeling down. They was really supportive to me.
Maura and the Retrievers are back on campus after a season-opening two-game road trip at SMU and Arizona. Both losses. Coach Ryan Odom, back for a second season, expects bigger things for his squad after posting 21 wins in 2016-17, the second most victories in the 30-year NCAA Division I history of the program.
We've improved, defensively. We still got a ways to go. Offensively, we're just kind of rounding into form.
We can play with anybody, any conference. We got to play hard all game.
UMBC tips off the home portion of their schedule when they host Central Penn Thursday night at 7 p.m. In Catonsville, Sean Stepner, ABC 2 News.